Hi everybody, hope all of you are well, and today I will discuss about your practical chemistry and file writing. So first of all, you know that your chemistry total mark is 100. And this out of 100, 80 marks theory. And you will get 2 hours for writing. And practical is 20 marks. Now I will discuss the syllabus of your practical chemistry. All of you have the syllabus of class 10. There it is written that candidates are expected to have completed the following minimum practical work. First one is given that gases. I hope that already you have completed identification of gases like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, chlorine, hydrogen chloride gas, sulfur dioxide gas, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, water vapor, nitrogen dioxide. Okay. And there is also some ions, their detection like calcium, copper, iron, lead, zinc and ammonium, carbonate, chloride, nitrate, sulfite and sulfate. And knowledge of a formal scheme of analysis is not required. Semi-micro techniques are acceptable, but candidates using such techniques may need not to adapt the instruction given to suit the size of apparatus being used. Next, the candidates are expected to have completed the following minimum practical work. Now, the minimum practical work is given that action of heat on the following substances. In class 9 also you have done this practical. So here your syllabus is copper carbonate, zinc nitrate, copper nitrate and lead nitrate. And important thing is that observation. Identify the product and make deductions where possible. Equations are not required. And next second is given that make a solution of unknown substance. Add sodium hydroxide solution and ammonium hydroxide solution. Make observation and give your deduction. Warming the mixtures may be needed. Choose from the following substance containing calcium, copper, iron, ferric, ferrous, ferric, lead +2, zinc +2, ammonium plus. I already discussed in this thing in your analytical chemistry. Whenever you will take the copper salt, whenever you will adding the ammonium hydroxide solution in dropwise, that means little and excess, what will be your observation equations, all I have discussed here. And in case of ferrous and ferric, whenever you are adding sodium hydroxide or ammonium hydroxide, what will be your observation, that you have to do. And third one is given that supply a solution of a dilute and alkali determined in acidic, which is basic, giving to test for each other. So here you can use indicator to identify the acid or base, or you can identify the acid or base without indicator by using the bicarbonate solution like this or sodium carbonate solution. And the last one is given that add a concentrated hydrochloric acid to each of the given substances. One, make observation. That means identification of two black substance. One is copper oxide and another is manganese dioxide. Copper oxide means black cupric oxide, Cu, and another is manganese dioxide. So this minimum practical work you have to do. When your school will open, will show, okay, we will demonstrate these practicals. Now you will try to complete your file. Okay. Now, what is the mark? How will you give the mark? Actually, here two examiner is there. One is internal examiner, and internal examiner, the internal examiner's hand there is 10 marks, and external examiner there is also 10 marks. So in this way 10 plus 10, total mark is 20. 20 marks. Okay, so hope you can understand. Now, how to write the practical file. So, you should not use the hard binding practical file. You have to use this type of tag and loose sheet binding practical file. Okay, so that you can add pages. Okay, now in the front page you have to decorate with your name, class, section, roll number, session, subject, like this. I am showing you one practical file so that you can easily understand. Here our school name is given, logo is given, and everything should be very neat and clean here. This is the cover page, and cover page you should cover with one cellophane paper also. Okay, so that there will be no water damage. Next, you have to write one index like this. In index, there will be serial number. So I will send everything. Okay, I will send everything in your school website. Okay, what to write? Here, see one thing, that serial number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 practical, and page number you have to write. Next, your experiment description. Write like identification of gases, effects of heat on some given unknown substances, addition of dilute sulfuric acid to the given substances. Next, application of flame test for identification of metallic radicals, like this. So in this way you have to must write the index. Then you will start writing your practical file. Okay, experiment number 1, identification of gases. First one is given water vapor. So in this way, and whatever experiment you will write, you have to draw one table, and here you can use only 2 ink. One is blue ink, another is black ink. Don't use the other colored inks. Okay, so here, see here one thing, that always make table like this, like experiment, observation and inference. And finally you will write the chemistry involved, means reactions, so that you can understand properly. So in this way you have to try that writing of the practical file. Okay, and when we will get time, we will demonstrate, okay, this thing. And another thing, that you can follow whatever notes I will give to you. Otherwise you can follow any book. Suppose in your chemistry book, that is the KL Chuk, okay, Pollani Publishers, ICSE Chemistry, in the last portion, that is chapter 10, just after organic chemistry, one chapter 10 is there, that is called practical chemistry. In practical chemistry, whole syllabus is given, okay, and here also everything is written properly, okay, but whatever is given, that is instruction, but you have to write it as a report form. Okay, that you are not giving instruction to anybody. Okay, so suppose here it is written heat the solution, so you have to write the solution is heated like this. Okay, or you can use past form also. So in this way all practicals are given in the last portion, okay, of your book. Okay, from book, any book, not this only this Pollani Publishers, any book you can write this practical. Now, okay, your school is not open, okay, and so you have to finish the writing of the practical file. So hope you can understand. If you have any question regarding of writing of practical file, then you can send me questions through email. Okay, so today up to this, hope you can understand about the practical writing or practical file writing. Okay, so today up to this, thank you.